Today we are showing you a before and after. First of all, notice how thick this old grate is compared to the thinness of this. We're gonna actually show you side by side. That is gonna save you at least a ½ an inch of your room space, and you won't be clipping that with your baby toe as you're walking along. You can see how gross and grody that is. It's gone through several remodels from the people before us. This one is nice and clean and shiny. Let's go ahead and remove this. You can see that the intake is behind there. That intake, of course, is for our HVAC system. And let's line it up there and there. Of course, I'm gonna take the plastic off. I just wanted to show you first impressions of how it's going to fit right up against here. Now, if you want to flip it over, you certainly may. You probably don't, because then you can look down into the air duct down there into the yuckiness. So you're probably gonna want to put those vents pointed straight down. It does come with 4 screws. Wait, I take that back. As I took the packaging off, there's a hidden bonus 2 screws, which would make sense because there are 6 holes total, aligning with the 6 screws that are included. It's gonna be right here, and that is gonna fit absolutely perfectly in the default dimensions. This is the exact same grate, but now we are on the other side. Our house was designed to have this intake in a bedroom, and then on the other side of the wall is a grate for the same intake for HVAC. I wanted to show you if you were to put this right up against there and then get really, really low, so about maybe 3 inches off of the ground, you could somewhat make out from one room into the other room, especially if you get really, really low. So if you have some privacy concerns, and if you have a grate on one side and then another grate on the other side, let's say this is a bathroom, for instance, you may want to keep that in mind. But most of you probably don't have grates sandwiched right up against each other like ice cream sandwich, and this probably isn't really an issue.